Hello everyone, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and today we are going to be changing the way we do things. Instead of having a live every Monday through Saturday, we're going to have lives on Monday and Saturday. On Monday, the live will be at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will focus on the at-home homemaker. It will be a question and answer series, and then we'll go over what you have to do that week. On Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern, it's going to be a question and answer period, and we're going to focus on what the payroll homemaker has to do that week. So questions from either the payroll or at-home homemakers can be answered on either session, but again, the focus at 9 a.m. on Monday is at home for the week, and on Saturday for payroll for what they're going to do on the weekend and during the week. We will have 3 videos every week recorded for you, new YouTube videos. They will come out on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They're going to be on specific topics, things that are trending in the questions, or things that I feel that maybe we haven't visited in a little while, maybe a new take on that thing. So that's what we'll be doing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Of course, I will still continue to have Patreon, and on Patreon, I will have 5 videos a week, and those videos are more about how this system is affecting your life or how your life can affect the system. Also, just the way we think, the way we process things, and things on specific things that we do in the home. So it's different, and it is advertisement free on Patreon. Then we will continue to offer mentoring. I will have once a month mentoring for $25 a month through Patreon, twice a month mentoring for $50 a month through Patreon, and every week mentoring for 3 months straight for a season, winter, spring, summer, fall. We're currently in fall when I'm making this video. And those are a $300 commitment for people who are going to do 4 Mentee sessions a month, once a week for 3 months. The once a month session is $25. The twice a month session is $50. Anything that you get on Patreon will always include all of the videos, and you have the 5 videos a week plus the access to all the hundreds and hundreds of videos that have been recorded in the past. Going back to YouTube, if you are going to be missing the lives, there is a whole library in the playlist of live videos. There are over 1,000 live videos. If that's something that you want to watch, you can go back and pick any one of those you care to watch. Also in the playlist is how to do the FlyLady system for newbies, for those of you who are new. And there's also in the playlist a list of each and everything we do in our routines and our our basic weekly plan, and in our zones. There are 21 videos that I made in collaboration with Nikki, and I'm actually doing the talking in the front, and then the back part of the video is Nikki in her home interpreting what I've said to do in her own way in her home. Your interpretation might look a little different, but this should give you some inspiration. So all of these videos are here as a gift for you on YouTube to watch, to follow, and to make your life better. I am FlyLady Kat. I am a professional FlyLady. I have mentored for years. I have been under FlyLady Premium in the past as a FlyLady with FlyLady Marla Silly, that group, and then I left and went on my own. My interpretation of the FlyLady system is very like Marla's original, which is beautiful and wonderful, and I often recommend things that she recommends, including her beautiful fly duster, excellent feather duster. But I have my own spin on it, and every FlyLady who worked on Premium had their own take on certain things. And so I've discovered with the hundreds of people that I've mentored, little things that make things a little bit easier, in my opinion, and a lot of my mentees' opinions. So if you want to follow my system, it's still the FlyLady system, but I am a professional FlyLady. All right, if there's anything that you need to know, please ask in the comments below, and I will look to see if there's anything I haven't made clear. I hope that you enjoy this. Oh, the price for Patreon is $5 a month if you just want the videos. $25 a month if you want the videos and to be mentored once a month, $50 a month if you want the videos and to be mentored twice a month. If you are interested in being mentored in a season for a quarter of the year, that will be something where you'll have to send me information through Patreon. You have to be a patron to get it. You send me a personal note that you're interested, and if I have a spot available, I'll put you in. It is a $300 commitment. You don't pay the $300 up front, you pay $100 a month, but it is a great commitment to make to yourself to change your life. If you can imagine hiring somebody to come in and declutter your home and get it clean and give you great habits, which is not going to happen if you hire someone, but to get the great habits, that's what that investment is. It is an investment in yourself. So all of these are investments in yourself, even if it's just your time watching and interpreting and trying to really make the system work for you, because it will work. It will work over time. Trust the system. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, always remember that you are beautiful.